a vintage throwback design with today's technology. Introducing the Bluetooth stereo turntable with CD player by Victrola. Listen to your vinyl records, CDs, favorite radio station, connect via aux-in, or stream music wirelessly using Bluetooth. With this Victrola turntable, easily convert your vinyl records to MP3. Simply install the included software that is Mac and PC compatible, and you're ready to record your old favorites to MP3. Classically designed chrome accents, authentic backlit tuner, and powerful built-in stereo speakers are sure to bring back great memories while listening to your favorite tunes.